unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Fetal hiccups feel like gentle, rhythmic jerks happening at regular intervals, almost like tiny spasms. Kicks are stronger and come in bursts, varying in intensity as your baby moves. A steady, pulse-like movement lasting minutes is likely hiccups, while kicks are less regular and linked to your baby's activity.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.